Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my another video. Today's questions look scary. The denominator having a cosine x and then power sine x. How do we solve it? The solution is not so difficult. In fact, it is similar to one of my previous video that having a cosine 11x plus I sine 11x. Define the original question as equation 1. Then we're going to replace x with something. In this case, change the x become negative x, which means dx change to negative dx, 1 become negative 1, and negative 1 become 1. X power 2 become negative x and then power 2, which is again equals to x power 2. The cosine x become cosine negative x, which is equals to cosine x. Lastly, sine x becomes sine negative x, which is negative sine x. That gives us q equals to integral 1 to negative 1. Numerator is 1 plus x squared. Denominator is 1 plus the cosine x and then the whole cosine x power negative sine x. Multiply negative dx. We can remove the negative by swapping the integration bound. Meanwhile, we purposely include a new term, which is multiply cosine x and then power sine x divided by the cosine x power sine x. That gives us the new numerator equals to cosine x and then power sine x. Multiply the original 1 plus x squared. Meanwhile, the denominator becomes cosine x and then power sine x plus 1. Label this as equation 2. And then copy the original question equation 1 here, put it side by side. Then we are going to use one of my favorite method, which is equation 1 plus equation 2. That gives us 2q equals to integral negative 1 to 1. Numerator is whole cosine x power sine x and then plus 1. And then multiply with 1 plus x squared. While denominator is cosine x and then power sine x and then plus 1. Obviously, those terms are cancelling each other, so we get rid of the troublesome cosine x power sine x. So now we have an integratable q, 1 over 2 integral negative 1 to 1, 1 plus x squared and then dx, which is equals to 1 over 2 and then multiply x plus 1 over 3 x power 3. Putting x equals to 1 and equals to negative 1, which is equals to 1 over 2 and then multiply 2 plus 2 over 3. That brings us to the conclusion of this video. The final answer of this question is 4 over 3. Thank you for watching my video until the end. Please continue support my channel, subscribe, give a like and share my video with others. See you in my next video. Bye bye.